uncle.
Thank you, son. Hey, son, listen 1 minute.
Yes, uncle.
Son, your phone is left.
Thank you so much, uncle.
Son, take care of things.
Uncle, keep some money from me.
Money for what?
You have returned my phone worth 2 lakhs. I'm giving it to you with my own happiness.
What's wrong? Son, it's yours, so I gave it to you. What should I take money for? Son, it's yours, so I gave it to you.
Okay, uncle. Thank you. 100 rupees.
Son, I don't have 2000 rupees. I have only 200 to 400 rupees. Take this.
Do you have money ever? You just gave me back. You cannot take care of me.
Son, I have done everything for you. Now it's your turn.
I will learn when it's time to earn. Now it's not a time for me to earn. Give me money. I'm getting late.
Okay, son.
You are such a liar. You were lying even when you had money.
I have to give installment of this rickshaw.
This happens to you always. You have to pay for bike, rickshaw, house rent. Is this all left in your life?
I have to pay if I had taken it, son.
Just keep paying it. Hello, come here. If you roam with me in my car, I will give you 5,000 rupees for half an hour. 5,000 rupees? Why will you give me 5,000 rupees? You don't even know me, neither I do know you. I just want to show you something. Just half an hour, 5,000 rupees. Okay, let's go. Uncle, will you go to the sector room not take?
Yes, we'll go.
How much will you charge?
130 rupees.
130 rupees? It's got 100 only. I will not give 130 rupees. Go quietly.
Son, it's 130 rupees.
Are you fooling me? Go on, rob someone. Take the 100. Did you see how is your father earning money? But you spending it without thinking. He is buying everything for you. But you spending it without thinking. As a son, insulting him rather than taking care of him. At this stage, you should be their support. Instead, you are a burden. I told you I will give you 5,000 rupees. Here is. I don't want it. I understood everything, Dad. Now it's my turn. I will pay off all your debts. Take rest, Dad. Forgive me, Dad.
Okay, son.
Always be grateful to the parents for their sacrifices.